I made 10,529 US dollars with 78,842 views. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you exact amount that YouTube paid me for the entire work that I did on YouTube from 1st of January 2024 up to 31st of December 2024. And I'm going to show you what other YouTubers have not been showing you, but only showing you what they have been earning, so that you can make informed decision in case you want to leave your other jobs to join YouTube. Now stay with me in this video, don't skip any part of this video, as I'm going to take you through how much I made and exact amount that I made on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started. Right, here is my YouTube channel, and that is DevTech YouTube channel with 78,842 views in 2024. So this is the whole amount, the whole viewers, the subscribers that I got. But before I continue, I want to thank whoever subscribed and whoever kept following me from 1st of January 2024 up to 31st of December 2024. Now this is 2025. Please, I beg you, let's keep it. And if you have not yet subscribed, also value subscribing, so that we raise this number at the end of 2025. Now this is my screen, so I'm going to show you everything, and here is how it performed. Because you've been viewing my channel, this is how I have performed on YouTube in 2024. Now this is my channel analystic, and I got 78,842 views in 2024. Then I got, this is 2,800 watch hours or watch time. Then I got 1,100 subscribers. Then also I got 10,529 US dollars. But the real thing I'm going to show you at the end of this video. This is just what other people have been showing you also, but I'm going to just break it down and show you exactly what I earn from YouTube. Now if you just break this thing by content, let's do it by content. Now by content, here we made 75,500 views. The key moments for audience retention: the video is MTN Momo Advance. Then we have the next one is how to make a minimum of 50,000 daily using MTN Zeno, and this is the video that is performing best in that year. Then we have down here, we have how viewers find your videos, that is how you people used to get my video. So the first one here, if I remain on overall view, the top method you people got my videos are through YouTube search. Then others, browse features. Then the least one is others, which is 8.5%. Then if you just break it down, external, we have Google search, where people used to search it from. External is Google search. Then WhatsApp, then whatsapp.com, then Telegram Messenger, then we have Telegram ORG. Then now we go to YouTube search. Those are the words you people used to use for searching videos on my channel. That is Neptune Network. And of course there is a time whereby the time Neptune Network closed, that is the time I made, I think I got very many views, I got very many subscribers, and lot of things. Then the next keyword was Neptune Network, yes. Then we go to suggested videos, the videos that if you're watching other video from me or other channels, they suggest to you that you watch this other video also. That is how to get a quick loan on Airtel money. Then we have the other one is how to make money in MTN Zeno in Uganda. Then we have the last one is Neptune Network update, yes. Then if you check here the top videos is how to get a quick loan on Airtel. Then the other one is how to withdraw KCP token on your exchange. Then how to borrow a loan on OKX, no deposit, play games and earn real USDT. Then Neptune Network is back with listing. Then the subscribers, we had 1,100 subscribers, and I think the best month was September 15th was the best month where I got very many subs subscribers in a single day. Now I want to skip this revenue, then go to trends. For trends, these are like the ideas that you can use to make videos in case you're making videos. Remember, these ones are given to you when you post 1 to 3 videos like that. That's when they'll start giving you these suggestions that if you make a video according to this, or you watch this one, then make something slightly like that one, they are going to get very many views. But of course, this is just a suggestion. Yes, now we go back and we get to revenue. Now this is where everyone wants to know an exact way or the exact amount that I got, and also the trick that other YouTubers are not showing you when they are showing you how much they earn in a month, how much they earn in a year, or for the lifetime. Yes. Now here you're seeing that using this trick that they have been using, I also have $10,529 that I made in 2024. Now if you break it down here, we are just going to see few things. This is the last 6 months also. I'm not going to do this. Then here we have the content performance in the last year, that is 2024. We have the top video that performed very well for me, and also me myself, I know it is evergreen, or the video that everyone is watching, that YouTube is recommending, they are showing everyone. If you go and search, you're going to get my personal video, that is how to get a quick loan on Airtel. That is the title of it, or how to get a loan on Airtel Money. That is my best video, and it made for me $1,447 in 2024. Then how to get a quick loan in 3 minutes, that is $735 is what it gave me in 2024. Then we check the last one here is Bounty Fisher latest review video. That one also made for me $247 using the trick that the other people have not been showing you. Now let's go to the key part of this video. Now the last part of it, where the other people have not been showing you. Now you can see that if I come back here, then I click on overview, everything here is true. That is, the views is exactly the real views, then the watch time is exactly, then the subscribers is exactly. But what is not real here is this revenue. As you're seeing it here is estimated revenue, but of course it shows you what you earn in the previous period that you're filtering. Now here it is showing me this, but this is not the right amount of money. Now if you want to leave your job, leave other thing you're doing to join YouTube needs consistency, then quality, then hard work. Hard work, I mean, like, also you share it, you do some promotions in case you're just starting, then you make quality videos, do good research so that you can make enough money and good money, or you get a better performance on YouTube. Now for me, I don't take much time here because I have other things that I do, but of course, in case I say that I want to come back here, I have to make sure that I set everything in the right way. Then now I can come and specialize on YouTube. Now let's see the actual amount that I really made from YouTube in 2024. So now we have to leave there, then we go and click on settings. As you're seeing on your down here, you're seeing, you click on it. Then now this one, as you can see, it is in Taiwan new US dollars. So that is not exact amount as you've seen it here. That is 10,529 US dollars, but that is not in US dollars. It is in Taiwan dollars. Now I first want to change to my currency, that is in UGX, that is in Uganda currency. Then we see the exact amount that I made according to my country currency. Now you can see that this is the exact amount that I made. That is 1,219,170 shillings is what I made if we follow my country's currency. Now we go back here and we click on US dollars. We change it back to US dollars, then we click on save. Now you're going to see that this is my exact amount that I made in US dollars for the full year, that is 2024, from January 1st up to 30th December. Now if you've been watching other people's video, they show you this thing and they don't show you the exact thing, then that is wrong, or that is right on their side. But because some of them doesn't show wrong thing, they show exact amount that they have been earning, because earning here is according to the location. Most of my viewers are from East Africa, that is Uganda, Kenya, Nigeria, and maybe other countries that has low value currency. But if it was from US, then it would have been at least some good money. So guys, I think that is all I wanted to show you in this YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like this video, and also share. Don't forget to leave a comment thanking me on what you've seen, in case you've seen any good thing here. Let's meet again in the next coming video.